Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to create a Lightbox form in Squarespace. So here I am in my Squarespace website dashboard, and then from here what we're going to do is we'll click on Edit Site. And then after that we will click on Edit, so that we have the full view of our website. And then from here I will go down. So I already have a Lightbox form right here, but I will delete this first and I will show you how to create one from scratch. So here I am in my in my blank section, and I will add the Lightbox form here. But you can also opt to add it anywhere in your website if you want that. So now what we're going to do is we will click on Add Block, and then we will click on Form, and then there we have our form right here. So if you want to edit this, just click on Edit, but take note that you won't be able to design the color and some of the other designs right here, because once you create this into a Lightbox form, it will just use the default design themes. So what you can do is that you can just edit the form fields right here. You can edit the button text. Instead of submit, you can say send. You can change the form name if you want, and then the form fields, for example right here, you can change its arrangement. You can also delete one if you want. For example, if you don't need this subject field, you can just delete it and it will be gone in your form. You can also add different fields like right here, for example, name text, email, phone, text area, drop down, checkbox, and so on and so forth. So you can use this if you want. And then once you're done, let's just go back. You can also change the post submit text. For example, instead of saying thank you, you can say like that, and it will be displayed after you send a response in the Lightbox form. So you can also change its alignment and position if you want. And then once we're done editing our form, let's go to design again, go down here, and then we have the Lightbox option right here. So just turn this on, and then now we have created our Lightbox form. So Lightbox form are forms in Squarespace, but they become like a pop-up form. So users can input their information and it will be saved in Squarespace, and you can review all the submissions that are sent by the users of your website. So once you're done, you can change the button alignment if you want. And then you can also change the button text. For example, you can say open Lightbox form, and then we're done. So just save on this website, click on exit, click on preview, go down to our Lightbox form, and then we have our Lightbox form right here. Click on it and we can see that it is working. So I will just input some sample information. And right here, after I'm done inserting some information, I can click on the send button. And then now we can see that it is working properly. And then I hope you learned how to create the Lightbox form. That is it for this video, and thank you for watching.